always say when our history's told, if only we knew the things we know. There's a question ages old. Let me down easy, let me down slow. If all good things ever come and go, let me back down in a place I know. Hold the nail for the hammer stroke. This my trash, this my tone. This my blood, this my bone. How do I learn my dreams to mold, to lay them bare in the morning cold? If they're still out there, then the chasm grows. For all you know, for all you know. Let me down easy, let me down slow. If all good things ever come and go, let me back down in a place I know. Hold the nail for the hammer stroke. This my weapon, this my home. This my blood, this my bone. How do I wake my spirit cold?
So we're just at the House of Terror now, which is a museum about the SS and the Communist Party in Hungary, and especially in Budapest. Let's go take a look.
Steady on the feet in the morning glow. This my trash, this my tone. This my weapon, this my home.
Finally made it to the top.
Look at the view.
Okay, it's our last day in Budapest.
And we just climbed up Gellert Hill.
Gellert Hill, and it was a beautiful day. This is the view from the top. Anyway, we're off to the thermal baths now, and then a lovely dinner later to celebrate my birthday. Right, where are we off to, Rose?
We're off to a Michelin star restaurant that's called Café Bourgeois.
Yeah, and it should be a very nice meal. So.
I'm so excited.
Okay, we just arrived in Rome, just touched down. It's an absolutely beautiful day.
We got a train, it's a double-decker train.
And we're off to the hotel now, and we're going to go sightseeing for the day.
And I'll go walking as far as it takes, and I'll go dancing till the rhythm it breaks. Goodbye, goodbye. And I've seen better days, you know. Take it slow, take it slow, take it slow. Run me to the ground. Leave a better scene than what you found. Take me down easily. It's more than I know, it's more than I see. Time stays still for a while. Running empty, running wild.
So we just got a boys' scooter all the way to the stadium because we're running really late. But, oh, we made it.
Right, let's go.
Just talk to the camera.
We've just taken a boy from the pub. We're just about to go to the rugby, so we're very excited.
So excited.
Right, so we're just about to go into the England-Italy.
Stadio Olimpica.
Should be good fun. We've just been in the bar for the last 3 hours, so we can't wait for the match.
Take it slow, take it slow, take it slow.
Equip with number 20 Sant'Angelo.
Ground. Leave a better scene than what you found. I've seen better days, you know. Take it slow, take it slow, take it slow. Run me to the ground. Leave a better scene than what you found.
Right, so we've had a lovely day walking around the Colosseum and Pantheon. Now we're off to
Our Valentine's Day meal.
Valentine's Day meal, best fish restaurant in Rome, so it should be delicious.
Well,
What am I waiting for? Am I waiting for a sign that I'm brave enough to follow? Can I just fail enough to bail out? I'm in my Wednesday suit. I'm just so sick of this commute. Are they always speaking to me? Only advertisers know me. Maybe I'm just falling away, counting.
We've had an amazing last day in Rome and we're off to our final dinner. Best pizza in Rome apparently.
Might have to wait though.
Might have to wait an hour in the queue, but it'll be worth it.
Call you when I land. Don't think about the distance. Do you understand? Not everything is missing. Oh.